Such a beautiful view there, Pin. Oh. There. Okay, we go. Walking with my bodyguard, Pipin. Such a beautiful view over there. All nice, beautiful houses. Come. Wow, this is I don't know what is this big massive tree with a nice red, like, oh wow, like a cherry. Come on, Pepin. It's so beautiful. Let's see here, Pepin. Nice that. Nice view over there. Love the places there. Look, so nice. Come on, Pepin. Come on, buddy. This way. Good boy. This way. This way. This way. Beautiful place here. Not bad morning here, Pin, no? It's nice. You enjoy walking, Pepin? Good boy. Beautiful. This is our neighborhood in the house. Haywood. Very nice places here. Nice houses. Let's go, buddy. Leave the bird. Oh, it's a big bus. Bus coming in.